Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving deep into one of the most exciting cars to hit the roads in 2025, the Mercedes 280 SL Restomod. This isn't just any classic, it's a beautiful blend of vintage charm and cutting-edge technology that's made to impress both collectors and modern drivers alike. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Mercedes 280 SL Restomod takes the iconic lines of the original 1960s 280 SL, the legendary Pagoda, and refines them with modern touches. The classic long hood and clean, elegant silhouette remain untouched, but the body panels have been meticulously reworked with lightweight aluminum and carbon fiber to reduce weight and improve performance. You'll notice subtle aerodynamic enhancements like a redesigned front grille and sharper LED headlights, which bring the car into the 21st century while respecting its heritage. The wheels have also been updated with bespoke alloys that perfectly complement the vintage look, but provide better grip and handling. Moving on to the interior, this Restomod is a masterpiece of craftsmanship and technology. The cabin blends classic luxury with modern convenience flawlessly. The dashboard retains its original shape but is now wrapped in high-quality leather with hand-stitched details, giving it that vintage feel but with a contemporary flair. The inch gauges are a mix of analog dials and a hidden digital display which only reveals itself when needed, maintaining the retro aesthetic without sacrificing function. The seats are sportier than the original, with advanced memory foam and heating couch cooling options to ensure comfort on any journey. The steering wheel has been redesigned with a mix of polished wood and modern materials, delivering both style and better grip. Tech-wise, the car is loaded with a state-of-the-art infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, voice commands, and even a premium Burmester sound system that makes every drive a concert experience. Safety features include adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera, all discreetly integrated to keep that timeless look intact. Under the hood, the 280 SL Restomod is where tradition meets power. Instead of the original inline-6, this version sports a modern turbocharged inline-6 engine that produces around 400 horsepower. This is paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth and quick shifts, allowing the car to sprint from 0 to 60 in just about 4.5 seconds. The suspension has been completely re-engineered with adaptive dampers, providing a perfect balance between comfort and sporty handling, whether you're cruising city streets or tackling winding roads. The braking system is also upgraded with carbon ceramic discs to ensure you can bring all that power to a stop safely and confidently. Performance-wise, this Restomod is surprisingly nimble for a car rooted in classic design. The lighter materials and modern drivetrain give it agility that old cars simply can't match. It has rear-wheel drive with an optional limited slip differential for better traction and cornering. The car's electronic stability control and traction management work seamlessly to keep everything balanced, making it accessible even for drivers who might be new to powerful vintage cars. Whether you're enjoying a Sunday drive or hitting a twisty mountain road, this 280 SL offers a driving experience that's both thrilling and refined. When it comes to pricing, this Restomod sits firmly in the luxury segment. The base model starts around $180,000, which reflects the craftsmanship and technology packed into every inch of the car. Of course, customization options can push that number higher, with bespoke paint finishes, interior materials, and performance upgrades, available for discerning buyers who want something truly unique. Compared to other luxury sports cars or classic restorations, the Mercedes 280 SL Restomod offers excellent value, combining timeless style with modern-day reliability and performance. In summary, the 2025 Mercedes 280 SL Restomod is a brilliant tribute to an automotive legend that doesn't just look good on the outside, but performs and feels incredible to drive. It's the perfect car for those who appreciate the heritage of Mercedes-Benz but want all the benefits of today's automotive technology. Whether you're a classic car enthusiast or just someone looking for a stunning and sophisticated ride, this Restomod ticks all the boxes. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this detailed look at the Mercedes 280 SL Restomod, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on more automotive deep dives. See you in the next video!